Markup. Different markups can be created, such as text, image, dimension, and stamp. At first, you can set the default attributes for the markup comments. Create a new comment. Pick the entities to create the linear dimension or angular dimension. The text comment also can be created on the 3D model. Markup comments can be saved as an independent *.z3dm file. If it is deleted, you can reload it again. Many predefined stamps can be directly used. The size is adjustable. All these commands are available in 2D drawing. Add a stamp markup. Create the dimension comments. Markup tools make the users easily create the text, image, dimension, and stamp comments.